Welcome back to Unit 5, Equilibrium. This is Lesson 1, video number 5. So in this video, we're going to look at something called heterogeneous equilibrium. So what we have been looking at previously was homogeneous equilibrium, but what this refers to is states of matter. And we're looking at the states of matter of reactants and products. So we said before, we've been looking at concentration, but we're also going to see that we can use pressures for equilibrium. But concentration means that we have to have something dissolved in water or another substance. So therefore, pure solids and liquids, well, we can't have a concentration of a solid or a liquid because it's pure. They don't have measurable pressures either. So these don't have pressures or concentrations. So therefore, and three little dots like that mean therefore, these are not included in equilibrium expressions. So if we're given an equation like this and we want to write an expression for Kc, we do not include any solids. We would just say that the value is 1. So we substitute 1 in for whatever we would write for that substance. So Kc would equal 1 over the concentration of HCl to the first and NH3 to the first. Another thing that we're going to look at is variations of Kc. So we're going to look at if a reaction is reversed or if it's multiplied by number, what we can do if we know the Kc value instead of recalculating the whole thing. So you are always going to be given a reaction at equilibrium and an original K value. If a reaction is reversed, what that means is our products and reactants flip. So what was on the top of the equation is now on the bottom, and mathematically, that's a reciprocal. So if a reaction is reversed, the new K value is the reciprocal of the original, which would be 1 over Kc. If a reaction is multiplied by a number, well, that just means that the coefficients all double. So our exponents would all double in the reaction. So the original K value is raised to the nth power. So we would have Kc raised to the nth power. So that would work even with fractions. So we're going to look at an example of that here on this page. So here is our original equation, and we're given a K value. And we have two scenarios here. The first one, if we look at it, we have to determine how is this equation compared to this equation. And you'll see that it's reversed. So we flip the equation. So our new K value is equal to 1 over our original, which is 1 over 0.150, which gives us 6.67 in the calculator. If we look here, now we have taken and we divided each one of these by 2, or Another way of saying divided by 2 is multiplied by 1/2. So we would take our new Kc value would equal our old Kc value to the 1/2 power. So we take the square root of 0.15